common 4-sound paddle and roll pattern, done a few ways. Scuff, brush, step, heel, scuff, brush, step, heel. Scuff, upbrush, step, full transfer of weight, heel drop. Scuff, brush, step, heel. Or scuff, brush, and roll. Hence the reason it's called paddle and roll. Some people refer to them as paradiddles using drum terminology. Scuff, brush, step, heel. Shuffle, step, heel. Still 4 sounds, just different tone. Shuffle, shuffle, step, heel. Stamp, brush, step, heel. Flat foot, up, brush, step, heel. Expanding on the 4 sounds, riffle, step, heel. Riffle could be seen in another video. Here you'll see brush, scuff, brush, a riffle or open third. Could also be digs. Difference of digs and scuffs can be seen in another video. Please subscribe for updates. Paddle and roll 4-sound patterns.